Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update bank details for UnitedHealthcare Reimbursements, payment guide step by step clearly. To update your bank details for UnitedHealthcare Reimbursements, begin by logging into your UnitedHealthcare member account. Navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for an option labeled Payment Information or Bank Details. Click on that option to access your current bank information. Review the information displayed to ensure it is accurate. If you need to make changes, select the Edit button next to your current bank details. Enter your new bank account number and routing number in the designated fields. Ensure that the information is entered correctly to avoid delays in reimbursements. After entering the new details, review everything one last time. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank details have been successfully updated. It's advisable to log out and log back in to double-check that the new information is displayed correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to UnitedHealthcare customer service for assistance. Remember to keep your account information secure and private. Updating your bank details can typically take a few business days to process. Make sure to monitor your bank account for any incoming reimbursements. This process ensures your reimbursements are directed to the correct account, avoiding any potential payment delays. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.